Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to our calm English world. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. And today, we're talking about something very important for English learners.
Cultural etiquette. That means how people behave politely in different cultures.
Because sometimes what is polite in one country might feel strange in another.
And that's okay. We're learning together. When I first visited Japan, I went to dinner with friends. We sat together quietly. No loud talking, no big jokes. At first I thought, oh no, did I say something wrong? But later my friend said, eating quietly shows respect for the food. And I thought, wow, silence can be polite.
That's beautiful, calm and respectful.
Respect to show care and value. We respect other cultures. Polite, kind and careful. It is polite to say thank you. Culture, traditions and ways of life. Every culture is different. Repeat after me. I respect other cultures. I want to be polite. Every culture is different.
Once I visited Germany. On the first day, I hugged everyone.
Haha. Oh no, how did they react?
They looked surprised, like, who is this hugging man? Later, my friend told me, here, we don't hug right away. We shake hands first, and I learned. Different cultures equals different personal space.
That's a great lesson.
Handshake, greeting by shaking hands. We started with a handshake. Personal space, the distance people feel comfortable. Some people like more personal space. Greet, say hello. We greet people differently around the world. Repeat after me, nice to meet you. We greet people politely. Everyone needs personal space.
Here are some simple universal tips. Tip 1. Smile. A smile is friendly almost everywhere. Nice to meet you. Tip 2. Listen. Don't interrupt. Go ahead, I'm listening. Tip 3. Say please and thank you. Always polite. Could you help me, please?
Break the ice, meaning make conversation easier. When in Rome, do as the Romans do, meaning follow local customs. Keep an open mind, meaning be ready to learn and understand.
Repeat after me. Let's break the ice. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. I'll keep an open mind.
Sometimes we worry, what if I make a mistake?
But mistakes are part of learning, and most people are kind.
I once used the wrong gesture in another country. I felt embarrassed, but someone smiled and gently explained. And I thought, people understand when you try.
Learning culture is like learning a new language, slowly, step by step.
And you are doing an amazing job.
Be curious, be kind, be patient with yourself.
And remember, your goal isn't perfection.
Your goal is connection. We're proud of you. See you next time. Bye.